Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Cash App won't let me unlock a card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, all you gotta do is simply open up your Cash App and now tap on this profile icon on top right corner. And from now over here, simply go ahead, scroll down to the bottom and tap on this option of support. Then choose this option of something else from over here. And again, simply scroll down to the bottom from the list. Then tap on this option of contact support given it last. Once you have done that, you will find this option of not about a transaction as highlighted. Go ahead, tap on it. And then you will get the section of talk to support, which we need. Tap on this chat option and now go ahead, write down your concern regarding your Cash App not letting you unlock your card, and they will let you know how further they can help you with and what more do you have to do to solve that problem out. Other than that, these are the steps. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.